In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Mandeville Primary won and decided to send Mineral Heights Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mineral Heights Primary and Bible knowledge. Who were the sons of Noah?
Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Shem, Ham, and Japheth.
Shem, Ham, and Japheth.
That is correct. Mandeville, who was the father of Jesse?
Kish.
Incorrect, it's Obed. Local affairs, Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Lisa Hannah.
That is correct. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Damian Crawford.
Incorrect, it's Julian Robinson, MP. Science, Mineral Heights. Which system of the body supplies the blood with oxygen?
Respiratory system.
That is correct. Mandeville, in the human body, what are the muscles of the heart called?
Cardiac muscles.
Correct. Television, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character. Mandeville, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Wimpy from Popeyes. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Say Wile E.
Coyote.
That is correct. Mineral Heights, English language. What is a comparative form of dangerous?
More dangerous.
That's right. Mandeville, what is a superlative form of the word zealous?
Most
Zealous.
That is correct. Mineral Heights, sports. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jude Bellingham.
International footballer, that is correct. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Bukayo Saka.
That is right. General knowledge, Mineral Heights. In which country is the famous Tiananmen Square?
China.
That's right. Mandeville, in which country is the famous CN Tower?
Canada.
That's right. Social studies. This is for Mineral Heights. What was the maiden name of Edna Manley, wife of Jamaican national hero Norman Manley? Mandeville, would you like to try?
Yes,
Thank you. Swittenbank.
That is correct. Mandeville, sticking with you. What was the maiden name of Mitzi Siago, first wife of former Jamaican Prime Minister Edward Siago?
Longbridge.
Incorrect, it's Constantine. Mineral Heights, music. Which American singer performed with a group called the Supremes?
Justin Bieber.
Incorrect, it's Diana Ross. Mandeville, which Jamaican musician performed with a group called the Melody Makers?
Ziggy Marley.
That is right. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mineral Heights Primary on 6 and Mandeville Primary on 7. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. A checklist is a great way to ensure you stay on top of your activities. List your tasks and check them off one by one. It will give you a sense of accomplishment when all are completed. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.